Hello and welcome to the latest episode of
Upgraded,
the show where we tell you about new upgrades in tool technology, actually just new generations.
New generations, right? And is it worth the buy, right?
Yep, so we have Generation 2 and Generation 3.
3 for the Milwaukee. So Generation 3 of the Milwaukee 1/4-inch impact driver and the half-inch hammer drill driver. Both of those are launching now. And so some of the big differences that you can kind of see,
Size-wise.
size is the big thing, right? So this one is Gen 3, and it's quite a bit noticeably shorter as it sits, but it is a little bit wider, so you're getting a little bit more girth and shorter. So
for the impact, it went from 2.1 pounds in Gen 2 to 2.2 pounds in Gen 3.
So
a little bit heavier.
A little bit heavier.
But then you lost 2/3 of an inch on the top.
Mm-hmm.
So if you look from above, it looks a lot shorter. So
yep.
Wants to put a bigger, bigger,
beefier motor in it.
Yeah. Windings and
yep, as it goes. But it still has all the same settings and stuff like that. So you can dial it in and not cam out on those metal screws when you're doing things like that.
Mm-hmm. We're looking at improving IPMs, impacts per minute. It has 600 more impacts per minute.
Yep.
RPMs, 600 RPMs more. Torque, plus 200 inch-pounds of torque. So you're getting some upgrades there.
You're getting some upgrades. So I mean, if you like, it to be more compact and stuff like that, it's definitely worth the upgrade to go to Gen 3 as it goes.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to get a little bit more bang for your buck.
Yeah, and then just imagine if you put a 2.0 on there, it'll slim it down for you even more.
Yep, make it more compact as it goes. Maybe lighten it up a little bit.
Yep, with all your power. And then, then we have the drill. The BPMs, RPMs, and torque are actually all the same, but it is smaller.
Yep.
It is 1/3 of a pound less weight, which you can actually feel pretty good.
Yeah, there's a noticeable difference when you grab them.
And then the size is 0.85 inch shorter. So it went from 7.75 to 6.9.
Yeah. Some of the things that you can see that they kind of changed on this here is, when you're going to change your clutch settings from drill to hammer mode and screwdriver mode, you got to do it here. When they did it on this, they just have it built into the speed settings itself. So, if you didn't like this, well, you don't have to deal with it.
It's kind of pointless.
Yeah.
I think the design was kind of just to show off that it does have 3 modes.
3 modes, but I don't think you need to be showy when you have a tool that really works. So, and then they also changed up the chuck a little bit as it goes. So yeah, I mean,
It's a little nicer upgrade.
It is. Is it worth the upgrade? I mean, it still has the light on it. It goes. Light's going to be down here this time instead of up here, which, little changes as it goes. But is it worth the upgrade?
I would not upgrade the drill, but I would upgrade the impact. I'm getting more out of that.
I'm going to say if you are doing a job that you're doing a lot of overhead stuff,
oh yeah,
the lightness of it is quite a bit different.
Well, then I'm grabbing the 12 though.
You're going to grab the 12? Well, if you need a little bit beefier, then go with the 18.
So that is the latest upgrade. It's a part of their breakthrough.
Yeah,
is what they're calling it. Improvements in motors and batteries.
Yep. So available now. Toolbarn.com.
Well, wait, before this. Look at this.
Put it on the 12.
Look at that.
HD.
Now, these kits ship with 5.0s.
Yes.
They're not going to tell you to get a 12.
Yeah, they're not going to get a 12. This really beefs it up. I mean, if you want to lift weights, then it might be all right.
Yep. Right. So stick around. We're going to have more videos talking about all the other stuff that came out. And I think we're going to strap this onto the bike.
And take it for a spin.
So.
And I think we have a couple more upgradeds too.
Probably. So Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on
Upgraded.